Welcome to Best Choice. The best camper trailer furniture is probably one of the most crucial elements for transforming your adventurous excursions into comfortable and convenient experiences, offering a blend of portability, durability, and space-saving design that is essential for maximizing your enjoyment of the great outdoors. This specialized furniture is engineered to withstand the rigors of travel while providing the comfort and functionality you need, whether you're dining, relaxing, or organizing your living space within the confines of your camper trailer. Number 5. RV Door Window Shade Cover, 16 by 25 inch. Introducing the perfect solution for your RV or camper. This high-quality window shade offers effective protection from sunlight and UV rays, ensuring your comfort. At night, it blocks exterior light, creating a dark environment for a truly restful sleep. It's an essential accessory for any traveler. Its unique three-layer construction provides superior performance. The outer layer reflects sunlight, the middle insulates heat, and the inner layer guarantees complete privacy and darkness. Enjoy the flexibility of its flip-up design. You can easily adjust it to enjoy the view outside while still maintaining your privacy, without needing to remove it. Installation is a breeze with the included adhesive-backed Velcro. It attaches securely without any drilling, making it incredibly user-friendly. Measuring 16 by 25 inches, it's designed to fit most RV window dimensions. It provides optimal coverage for both privacy and sun protection. What we like. This RV door window shade cover offers excellent sun protection and privacy. Its unique three-layer material effectively blocks sunlight and heat, ensuring a dark and restful sleep. If you're looking for a simple, no-drill solution to enhance your camper's comfort and privacy, this is a great choice. What people say. The blackout fabric really keeps the heat down inside during the day, and it's easy to install and remove when needed. Provides insulation against heat or cold. Comes with everything needed to just apply. Roof vent insulator covers. Much cleaner look and fit the max air fans better than the square pillows. Quick to put on and off, thin and easy to store. They work well for heat or cold and reduce vent noise while driving. Number 4. Better Boat Repair Tape. Don't let a small tear turn into a big problem. Our heavy-duty repair tape seals rips and holes instantly, preventing further damage. It's a quick and easy fix you can do in seconds. Get 30 feet of strong, waterproof tape on each roll. You can cut it to any size you need for a perfect fit. It bonds securely to a wide variety of materials without any special tools. Our adhesive is built to withstand the toughest conditions, just like it does on boats. It stays put through sun, salt, and storms, ensuring your repair lasts. You can trust it to hold strong on your gear. This clear tape is designed to blend seamlessly with your material, making repairs barely visible. It's flexible enough to conform to curves and corners without lifting or bunching. Choose the perfect color for your repair. Clear is great for any material, while white and black offer a nearly invisible fix on darker surfaces. Each roll provides plenty of tape for multiple repairs. What we like. Tired of small tears turning into big problems on your RV awning or covers? This heavy-duty repair tape is your quick fix. Its marine-grade adhesive ensures it stays put through sun and storms, and a clear finish makes repairs nearly invisible. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use solution for fabric and vinyl repairs on the go, this tape is a lifesaver. What people say. The tape has held up during storms, 100-degree heat, and frequent opening and closings. This clear heavy-duty repair tape gives a strong, waterproof bond for boat covers, RV awnings, canvas, tarps, and vinyl, and the 30-foot X3 roll is great for long tears or multiple patches. No water got through it at all. It stuck directly to the fabric and never moved. Number 3. Mount It, Lockable RV TV Mount. This TV mount is specifically designed for RVs, ensuring a secure installation in campers and travel trailers. It's compatible with most flat-screen TVs, reducing guesswork before you mount it. Built for life on the road, its locking arm mechanism minimizes screen movement while you drive. Enjoy a stable viewing experience, even on bumpy roads or at campgrounds. Achieve the perfect viewing angle with its full motion capabilities. It tilts, swivels, and extends, allowing you to optimize your view from anywhere in your RV. The detachable Visa plate allows for easy TV removal without uninstalling the entire mount. This offers great flexibility for storage or repositioning, even for outdoor TV setups. This heavy-duty bracket is ideal for 23 to 43-inch TVs, supporting up to 77 pounds. Its Visa compatibility ensures it fits the common sizes found in RVs. Constructed from durable steel with a protective coating, this mount is engineered for the demands of mobile living. It's built for reliability through countless travels. You can count on our US-based customer support for any questions. Plus, it comes with a manufacturer's lifetime warranty for peace of mind. What we like. Keep your TV secure and enjoy flexible viewing angles in your RV with this lockable TV mount. The locking arm prevents screen movement while driving, and the full motion capability lets you adjust your view perfectly. If you're an RVer who values stability and convenience, especially for longer trips or full-time living, this mount is designed for you. What people say. The wall mount was easy to install and provides good range of motion to position the TV how you need. It locks in place, which is a great feature when you're driving down the road. Very well built. We chose this wall mount due to it locks the wall when traveling. Wall mount comes with a large assortment of mounting screws for attaching to TV. We chose this one for its latching mechanism. The unit comes with 5 3/16 lag bolts and the corresponding sheetrock plastic inserts. Once installed, unit stays closed going down the road, and when in camp, the 32 TV can be extended and swiveled to 90 degrees. Number 2. Yaheetech Brown PU Leather Recliner Set of 2. Experience robust comfort with this adjustable recliner, built with a strong frame and easy-to-clean PU leather. It's designed to support up to 265 pounds, offering reliable sturdiness for everyday use. Sink into marshmallow-like softness with its pocket spring-supported seat and extra-thick foam-filled backrest and footrest. The premium PU and PVC leather covering provides ultimate elasticity and a soft touch for an unparalleled sitting experience. Find your perfect position with 3 distinct relaxation modes. Easily adjust the footrest from 0 to 90 degrees by simply pushing back, allowing you to sit up, recline, or lie flat with ease. Spills and stains are no longer a concern thanks to its water and stain-resistant PU and PVC leather. A simple wipe with a damp cloth and mild cleanser will keep it looking brand new. Transform any room into your personal oasis of relaxation. It's the perfect spot in your living room, office, or bedroom to unwind after a long day or enjoy your favorite entertainment. What we like. Transform your RV living space into a cozy relaxation zone with this comfortable recliner set. It offers multiple reclining positions for ultimate comfort and is upholstered in easy-to-clean PU leather, perfect for handling spills. If you prioritize comfort and a touch of luxury in your home away from home, this recliner is an excellent addition for unwinding after a day of adventure. What people say. Lumbar support. Comfy. Easy to push back to a sleeping position. So relaxing. Assembly was quick and easy, no tools needed, and it took me less than 10 minutes. The chair feels sturdy, the padding is firm but comfortable, and the reclining mechanism works smoothly. These chairs are super easy to assemble. It took me longer to get out of the box and didn't require any tools. They are really comfortable and match my futon perfectly for my home theater. They feel really good quality as well. Number 1. ELIVED Lockable RV TV Mount. This mount is designed to fit most 13 to 43-inch TVs, supporting a wide range of Visa patterns and weights. It's the perfect companion for your RV, camper, trailer, or motorhome. Enjoy the best viewing experience with its full motion capabilities. You can tilt, swivel, and adjust the screen to reduce glare and find your perfect angle, all while saving space. Travel with confidence thanks to the one-step locking mechanism. It securely holds your TV in place, preventing movement during transit, ensuring it stays safe even on rough roads. Setting up your TV mount is a breeze. With all the necessary hardware included and clear instructions, you can have it installed in under 30 minutes. Constructed from high-strength steel, this mount is built to last. Its sturdy design offers anti-vibration properties and long-lasting durability for all your travels. This mount comes with 2 wall plates, offering flexibility. You can easily move your TV between indoor and outdoor locations, enhancing your entertainment options. What we like. This versatile RV TV mount is designed for maximum compatibility and security. It fits a wide range of TVs and features a one-step locking mechanism to keep your screen stable during travel. The inclusion of dual wall plates adds extra convenience for indoor or outdoor use. If you're looking for a secure, adaptable, and easy-to-install TV mounting solution for your RV, camper, or motorhome, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This mount kit includes all the hardware needed to mount the TV mount and includes a second separate plate that can be installed elsewhere in case you'd want to move the TV. The lag bolts are the exact size needed for thinner RV walls. This mount also includes a swing arm to adjust the TV right, left, up, and down. Very sturdy, and the locking feature is a game changer for protecting the TV while traveling. Mounted this over the entrance of my Damon Outlaw Class A toy hauler, and it has been flawless in keeping the TV secure even in cross-country trips over some horribly maintained interstates. It comes with a second mount bracket so you can move it to outside the RV or another room. Installation was simple, and a great value for the money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.